Welcome back, everybody. Been so busy, literally running myself ragged, preparing for the Griddle More tour. So by the time this airs, I'll be on tour. So I can't wait to meet you on the road. Our neighbors are coming over to have lunch with us today. We love them. They're dear to us. And I'm trying to think, what could I make? What could I cook that would pack a punch and, you know, look really cool, but really tasty? Fajitas. So let's do fajitas today on the Blackstone Griddle. We don't have the summer patio set up yet, but we do have a couple of griddles here in the corner. So I have the 28-inch Pro Series and that limited edition Black Friday 22-inch Pro Series as well. So I've got a bunch of tortillas here, and I'm just gonna make sure that we have oil down over here on this griddle top. And we are gonna start to toast up our tortillas. This is gonna be our tortilla toasting station over here. Meanwhile, over here to this griddle, we're cranked on high. Oh man. And just check out that chicken right there. So about a year and a half ago, I was at a local butcher shop picking up some pork and some beef suet to process my wild game. Came across a bottle of Mediterranean marinade by a company called Scott's Food Products. Long story short, I had that bottle in my pantry for about a year and a half, pulled it out about a month ago. Whoa, it blew my mind. It was amazing. Put up the Mediterranean chicken pasta, and the owner of the company actually sent me a message. He saw the video and said, hey, give me your address. I want to send you a case of our products, so check this out. Had this in the refrigerator overnight, and this is just a small sampling here. They sent me a bunch of stuff, but I can't wait to use the citrus asada, the Monterey mesquite, the carne asada, Sicilian lemon, and straight back over here, we're toasting those tortillas. We do not want these things to be crispy. We want them to be pliable. So just a little bit of color on each side, and you definitely want to have one of these on hand, a tortilla warmer. So they're made out of plastic, and think about this like a cooler. It basically traps the steam in there. These things stay piping hot for a long time. 20 minutes later, these things are still going to be piping hot. So we'll toast up our tortillas and just keep going down on that piping hot griddle top, baby. Back over to my side station here. My 22, gonna go down with onions. Of course, fajitas, baby, onions, as well as bell pepper. Today we've got red and green. A little more olive oil down there. And of course, my go-to, Blackstone's tequila lime seasoning. This stuff is out of this world, and that is what we got going on over here today. Let's close it up. Look at that sear on the chicken right there, folks. That's what I'm talking about right there. Gonna get this gorgeous. Oh man, look at that. Pollo asada marinated chicken. This is gonna be good. Gonna be good. Are you ready for fajitas?
Oh, I'm ready. Oh my goodness.
I can't wait. I struggle with dry chicken and dry pork, right? Because if it's even borderline cooked to perfection or over, it's too dry. So lately I've taken to marinating and brining. It is just a massive difference maker. Look at the color. Look at the color on those things. Look, that's what we're talking about. That's fajitas, and that's what sells a platter of fajitas at your restaurant. Also, took a few jalapenos. You know when you go into a Mexican restaurant, they'll have a whole roasted jalapeno. And I soaked these things in another one of those Scott's Food Products right here in their garlic oil. This stuff is really good. So we're just gonna leave these down here. Traditionally, if you go to a Mexican restaurant, they'll have some kind of a plate of jalapenos sitting there on the counter at the little taquerias and stuff like that. See that? You can just see the oil sizzling there. So these are gonna be a nice little appetizer, and you always have to have a little bit of salt on there. See, it's that nice contrast, and it'll stick to the pepper skin with that oil. So just a little bit of salt on those. I'll even salt up the veggies a little bit over here. Back to my chicken, which I could tell is probably just about done. So I'm gonna reach in there with my brave bare hand and pick a piece out. Good. So moist, so moist. We're going fast and furious today, folks. I even forgot garlic, but hopefully you'll forgive me. So we're going down with the chicken over here. overcook these veggies. We, of course, have a little bit of room to move when we're talking fajita veggies, but we're going to put those right down there. Those onions and those gorgeous, gorgeous bell peppers. Oh, yeah, that right there. That's the one I'd go for. Oh, man. And last second here, I got to throw down a few more tortillas so we get enough for everyone to eat. I have to have some crema on mine. I don't know if that's a traditional topping on a fajita, but I simply have to have it. And of course, I also have to have some lime. Goes real well with that tequila lime seasoning as well. There we go. All right, and Hannah reminded me that I need to put some of those beautiful peppers on there. And if you know me, I have to have some of that Cholula chili garlic. You gotta be kidding me. I can't wait anymore. Plus the folks inside are very hungry. But look at that right there, folks. That's where it is at. Look at that. Look at the color. Let's give it a try. They're amazing. And that marinade, it was a huge difference maker with the chicken. So if you want to check them out, they're scottsfoodproducts.com. Of course, you can get Blackstone's tequila lime seasoning right here. You can pick that up at Walmart, walmart.com. I think you might even be able to get that at blackstoneproducts.com. Make sure you get yourself a tortilla warmer. I mention this a lot in my videos, but it's a difference maker. Look at that. See this? Look at that right there. There's proof. You can see the steam coming out, so it keeps those tortillas piping hot. But until next time, everybody, this is Todd, and I gotta hurry up and get in the house and feed everybody. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the fajitas.